time talk about how this incident has also drawn widespread condemnation from various student organizations, human rights activists and the public at large. When it comes to the Jammu and Kashmir Student Association, which is now demanding direct intervention by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and have sought the expulsion of those found guilty in the case. However, when it comes to this incident that has now been reported, this is now coming across as Omar Abdullah, the Chief Minister, who has also taken to social media to assure that he had a word with Karnataka Chief Minister regarding the incident and saying that the Chief Minister of Karnataka, which is Siddaramaiah, has assured the strictest possible action in the case. So this unfortunate incident that has now been reported of ragging, as it has now come under the notice of the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, and he has assured that the accused has been identified and the investigation that is now taking place, and he had a direct word with the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, over this. So two Chief Ministers having this conversation, Yavar, over this alleged case of ragging that has been reported in a Karnataka institute.
Well, exactly, this incident has sent a shocking wave across the Kashmir Valley as well, and prompted the Chief Minister Omar Abdullah to ring up the Chief Minister of the Karnataka. In fact, the Omar Abdullah sought the FIR into this matter, and in fact, in his statement, the Omar Abdullah said that he has spoken to the Chief Minister of the Karnataka about this unfortunate incident, and Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of the Karnataka, has assured the full action will be initiated against those who are behind this hideous, crime. And earlier, remember that there was a statement that was shot in from the Jammu and Kashmir Students Association, in which they said that a second-year student was a student of the Al Amin Medical Institute, Bijapur, Karnataka. He was, ragged and brutally roughed up by certain people. And after that, there was the injury that was caused to them. In fact, they have to say that a group of 6 to 8 individuals stormed into the hotel room and brutally assaulted him and repeatedly beaten him, posted him into record of video apologizing under duress. So this has created a lot of rucks among the students and prompted the authorities in JNK to take the several measures, including calling up of the Chief Minister of Karnataka for the appropriate action. That has already been initiated because many of the many of the students have been.
So after sports activity that is being said, that this argument began and this confrontation, as far as the victim who says that he was ragged by senior students there of the institute, and the victim thereafter was forced to leave the cricket ground and then forced to sing and dance and also salute to his seniors. But this trauma did not end there. When the student also tried to speak up against the incident, apparently he was assaulted physically in his hostel room with death threats that were reportedly issued.